channel. So today's video, we are going to be basically celebrating our Valentine's Day with you guys. Tara and I decided to do a Valentine's Day mukbang, and right now we're just chilling in the house, and we decided to get some takeout. You know, because of everything going on with COVID and everything, we just decided to have like a chill, relaxed Valentine's Day, spend time with the kids and everything, and we're doing a little bit of vlogging. So the vlog probably will be up before or after this video. But yeah, so we decided to try a new restaurant that we never tried before. It's a soul food restaurant. They're not franchise or anything. So they only have one spot in Philly. And if you're interested, and maybe you might be visiting Philly sometime soon, you might want to, know places to eat at. And that's what we're gonna be doing on our channel. We're gonna show you guys a lot of vegan places that you can eat at if you're in Philly. I told you that before, and when we showed you ps.co, that vlog, that mukbang, if you would like to check that mukbang out, I'll link it right here so you can hear our opinions on that. But yeah, this is a soul food restaurant, and yeah, you want to show them what we got. So we basically got the same thing. Taryn, he'll get the same exact thing that I'll get, so he's scared to try other stuff. But we have some. This is supposed to be, I guess, vegan barbecue chicken. This is collard greens, cabbage, and it's supposed to be like stewed fish. So yeah, it smells good. Now we're gonna just jump right into it because we're hungry. Oh wait, before we jump right into it, we're gonna say our grace real quick. God is good, God is great, and we thank you for our food. Amen.
Amen.
And we appreciate it that we're here on this Valentine's Day and we can spend Valentine's Day with each other. So yeah, and before we start to eat, I want to show you guys my gift for Valentine's Day that Taryn bought me, these ruby earrings. What you want to say?
Rubies.
So yeah, now we're going to try the food. But yeah, I love them. And follow us on our Instagram if you're not. You posted a picture on Instagram?
I will.
So yeah, follow us if you're not following us on Instagram.
At Peace Love Vegan 420. Tay with some more
We
food.
got Tay on the side. So if you see me like going to the side, we got the baby. He loves to eat and try new food. So I'm just gonna feed him some of this. So yeah, we're gonna tell you guys what's been going on. So we just surpassed, if y'all been watching us and y'all been following us, y'all would know that we just surpassed 1,000 subscribers, and now we're finally monetized on YouTube, and we appreciate it, and we thank you guys for watching and subscribing and supporting us. We really appreciate it. And we're going to be posting this time. This is our job, so we're going to be posting consistently twice a week, every week. So yeah, we're happy about that. Aren't you happy about that? We're just working on Instagram.
I'm excited. We were trying. Alright, let's follow us on Instagram. Peace Love Vegan 420. Tay trying. He excited too. But follow us at Peace Love Vegan 420. And I made a video just talking about saying thank you and stuff like that to all our subscribers, the followers as well. And but yeah, we was trying for a minute to get monetized, and it's like when we stop trying to, it just happened. And it's like when you worry about things, and that's for anything in life. When you worry about things, you kind of put out like negative energy. You can kind of like stop your blessings from happening, or whatever you want to happen. You kind of like stop it from happening because you're worried.
You gotta focus on the content and do it because you genuinely love it. In order for you to start getting paid from it or whatever you're trying to accomplish from it. You can't just do stuff just to get stuff from it. That's what a lot of people don't realize. I should do like a video on like how to grow your channel, how to gain subscribers, and it's all about a lot of time and hard work and effort. I think the barbecue chicken is good. I don't know about the fish. I'm not really feeling the fish, the fake vegan fish. The cabbage is okay. What you think about it?
The cabbage is cool. Collard greens is
Okay.
Okay. Shout out to Tina Mom. I know you watching. You good? The color is banging. She need to stop playing and give Tina that recipe. She be playing. I know, bang. And this right here? Let me see.
You got the Mountain Valley water.
No. Mama needs to start selling her food. Me and Tina. Tina needs to start selling her food.
I was going to, we were thinking about doing platters like on and off.
One day.
But once we have the right setup and everything we want to do, like I want to have delivery drivers. I want to have like a space where I can just, cook and separate the food, because some people don't allow you to cook food in your own kitchen. You know what I mean? Like that type of thing. Once we figure out all that, then yeah, I will do platters one day.
One day.
But yeah, right now my main focus is to show you guys how to cook and bring you guys content like recipe videos and stuff.
That's a lot going on. Personally, but can't let it stop. Can't let it stop us. Like I said, why would I stop? I made a post about that. As far as we came, and even though we faced a lot of adversity, like months and personal stuff, but why would I stop? So what happened was my pop was because of his diet. So I want to have more reasons to want to do it even more now. So that's why I'm continuing doing it, and that's why I'm passionate about actually, like I said, doing this. I'm excited that we monetize. I'm excited that we get not even just the monetize part, the numbers. That's what monetize. That means more people watching. The more people watching, the more people that lives that can change. And the more people they can share, and the more people can follow it, and so forth and so forth. The cycle. It's all about getting people to change, and it's all about knowledge. And I'm always reading, learning, trusting. Don't stop. I'm never content at whatever I know. So don't get it. Listen, it's a lot to know. Like my grandma said, you're never too old to learn. So, I'm learning every day, y'all. To learn the recipes,
Yeah,
and get that different stuff. And I'm coming with the information and knowledge and the right stuff. Because people be over here telling people everything. People be telling people anything. On the internet, people just listen. You feel me? A lot of people just follow, just anything they hear. And I want people to have trust and confidence in us, that the information that we give y'all and knowledge that we give y'all is it's correct, and it is. Now I'm gonna gain y'all trust, and just you can check everything. And at the bar, y'all be done checking, because y'all be like, oh listen, everything T say is real, it's true. So they keep it real. That's what it's about.
Somebody out there always got to argue, no matter what.
It is life. I'm not religious, but like my grandma always said, they hated Jesus. If they hated Jesus, of course, I know people gonna hate what I would say or do. That's just a balance of life. When there's good, there's evil, right, wrong, up, down. So it just comes with the territory, and I welcome it. Because obviously that means I'm doing something right. Jesus wasn't doing nothing wrong, so. Well, I welcome all the haters. I love it. Leave the comments down below. This is a waste of your time. To be honest, you waste your time. And life is short. Life is too short. Spoke to my dad Tuesday morning and Tuesday night. But life is short. Don't waste it. And that's why we definitely appreciate y'all watching our videos, because you can give us time that y'all can never get back. You feel me? That's how I look at it. That's why I'm going to give y'all information that is valuable, so I can take with y'all, that y'all can use. That's what it's about. Mukbang is about just sharing information with y'all and let y'all get to know us you know. But the real information is in our recipe videos and our Instagram. So that's why I say follow us at Pizza Vegan 420. Because I'm always dropping like food for thought videos or just reading my captions and and we're coming up with listen, not even talking about that because we don't talk about things, just let it happen. So I'm not even talking about that. Just keep a lookout because we got things coming happening. Let's help y'all better your health. That's what it's about.
Yella, you like it?
So I'm definitely grateful for that time. Tina know how I feel about time. I'll tell you. I hate when people waste my time. We're right. And I don't hate it. And shout out to everybody because I did Postmates for a whole year. But anybody do everything, the delivery job, and Uber Eats, anything, y'all know how hard it is. Them little behind tips people giving out. And I did it on the bike. So I had to do what I do for my family. But a job, listen. All that time you invest in the job and to not have no security back, not have security, they can fire you for anything. It's crazy. Because time is wasted when you don't get back. And I experienced that with Whole Foods. So, I'm investing my time in things that's beneficial. Like my kids, my family, y'all. Spending time with your family, being there. Listen, Tina time. Celebrate it.
I'm about to say we're going to miss out. You like it, Teller? You want to make it a Perry, Teller?
Yeah, let him come here. Come on. Got you, Daddy, got you. Your daddy. Your daddy. Your daddy eating.
Would you get like a rating? Like, would you recommend they come to this restaurant?
For the collard greens and the cabbages for the sides, I would recommend. But for like the main dishes, they got lemon pepper chicken. But for this right here, I went these two items right here. I wasn't feeling. I guess when we try the ice cream, we'll let y'all know about it because, like I said, we're knowing this.
Yeah.
Hey, so you remember the wild thornberry?
Teller, you want to sit down and turn?
So he said he did it too. How you do that?
Thank you. You want to eat some more?
Oh, he just grabbed my plate. Like, listen, I got this plate right here.
He's trying to eat.
His voice changed on me. He's like, yeah, I got it.
Eat. So you guys, so I forgot to show you the dessert. So we had got some ice cream and it's supposed to be hand turned.
Hand turned?
So it's like vegan, homemade, fresh ice cream.
Ice cream.
And I know Taylor gonna want to try this.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
Come on, Taylor.
Back.
Taylor's gonna be.
I don't know if you're saying that. I'm just hyped.
So this got caramel and.
Oh, you got camera.
Yeah, I look at him.
Hey, I'm gonna get to the
Try.
And churn.
She said something to me. I was thinking about getting an ice cream maker too, actually. I'm trying to get everything on.
She got bread. Listen, Tina wanted to make a video showing like our home appliances that we have and the benefits of each one. You know, as a way to be for using that, we'll suggest. You know, we got a bread maker, a juicer.
Yeah. What you think about the ice cream?
I mean, they really made it at home.
This
is bang it. They made it at home. I'm impressed.
I don't know. Mine says watered down. Stop.
Well, I ain't don't get sick that much, so that's why he's so hype. You don't. That's why he's trying to snatch it.
Mine says pretty much watered down. I don't know because like it melted and it had like ice chunks in there, but it tastes like watered down to me.
So he hype right now. Y'all should have seen his eyes. He got real big.
He like anything with cookies and cream, so of course he's gonna make it taste good.
Pretty much. I'm sorry. Cookies and cream is the best ice cream hands down. Comment down below if you agree. Cookies and cream is the best ice cream in the world.
What?
Yes.
You gotta do it mint chocolate chip.
Pause.
Cheesecake ice cream.
Pause. Cheesecake.
Cheesecake ice cream.
Yeah, I know. You can say it 3 times.
Birthday cake ice cream.
I can say I used to eat birthday cake and birthday cake ice cream, so maybe.
You mean ice cream cake?
Ice cream cake, there you go. There you go.
But I like the ice cream with like birthday cake pieces in it.
Never had it. You ever had it before? What you had? You did? Who had that on there? Who did that birthday cake?
He had it because I ate when I was pregnant.
Oh yeah.
The vegan one.
Eat. He don't need no ice. He gonna be hype. Listen, but
yeah, what is it?
comment down below. Cookies and cream. You know what I mean. My mom loved mint ice cream. That was her thing. Mint ice cream.
Mint chocolate chip.
Yeah, that was her thing. Can't get into it.
My parents like butter pecan. Ugh.
That's old people thing. That's my dad like too. But my mom was young. You feel me? My mom was younger.
Yeah.
That's like all old people like butter pecan. Like that's the only ice cream they could have.
But you like pecan, so I know you ain't talking.
I ain't
So
I might eat no butter pecan. It's like look different.
So how can you eat the pecan when you can eat ice cream? The ice cream you think was better. Like when I did get the ice cream, I just took the pecan.
But what's the butter part of it? Why does it say butter pecan? Is it butter and pecan?
No, it's not like extra butter.
What is it then?
It's like
A weird taste though.
So they make the pecan out of butter. You know what I mean? Like peanut butter, but you make it pecan out of butter, like that.
Oh, so that's
what it is.
It's
mixing the ice cream. So
That's
they make it, they turn it into like a peanut butter.
That's disgusting.
And they mix the ice cream with the pecan. But you eat pecans. Okay, it's different.
That's disgusting.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, then I know what it is. All right.
Now you gonna try it? Now you gonna try it?
No, I don't want to try it. Relax. That's it. That's why kids don't eat sugar. Listen, y'all just witnessed a whole change in a couple minutes that we were sitting here and we gave ice cream. Like the difference in his behavior. They don't see exactly. He don't eat ice cream. He was chilling before that. You know, he was kind of up there, but now he's more in it. No, they don't need sugar. Hey, they can like bro, you looking at his hand? We don't give us one. So, but he's just sitting here with us, so that's why we're just being exactly. He mad. He's like, Mom, you been hiding this from me? Yeah, we been hiding from you. You don't need no ice cream, boy.
Hey, he's acting crazy.
Exactly, the ice cream.
Tell him.
You're like, I'm not gonna take it. No, I'm not gonna take it.
Then you trying to get sugar.
I ain't coming over here, not this. If he get this, he gonna definitely go crazy. He gonna fall out like, oh no. Y'all had this, y'all been hiding this. Turn around. Tay. Tell her. Relax. Huh? Good? Okay, good.
You know what I miss? I miss root beer float.
I'm making a vegan one for you.
I gotta get some Whole Foods root beer.
Yeah.
And then get some vanilla ice cream.
There you go. We can float. Mommy was like that here.
It's too watered down.
Today, mommy, dad.
So y'all, how do y'all feel about Valentine's Day? As far as like, do y'all think a guy should get something for Valentine's Day too, or y'all think it's just a female thing? What y'all think?
God, comment down below. You know when we get our gift.
I was reading a meme from it was something a status from Cardi B, and she was saying how she said guys can get a gift too, but their gift has to be less expensive. So if a guy give you flowers, you get him some grass.
Grass what?
Grass.
Oh, grass.
Yeah.
You talking about herbs?
No, she mean grass.
She
She
talking
being
about
smart.
herbs. She talking about herbs. What are you talking about?
No, she's saying if y'all get us flowers, she's saying y'all gift should never be better than ours. So if he buy me flowers, I give him some grass from outside because it can't be better than my flowers. That's what she's saying. Something worse.
Why can't it be even?
Nope.
Exactly. See? Again, I'll go back. Yeah, my sex is looking out like that. I'm just saying, females want to be even. I guess what they want. When it's convenient for y'all. They want even pay, which I can agree. All right, cool, even pay. They want to be in the military, cool, even. You know, they want even stuff like be the first president, stuff like that. But so it should be the same with everything. Even when it comes to gifts, even everything. I don't see why not. I mean, I know it's not gonna be like that, but I don't see why not. But like I said, I know it's not never gonna be like that. Yeah, I'm ice, man.
See, it's something sweet. He finished. I can't finish mine. But yeah, you guys. What else do we have to tell them update? Oh yeah, I do want to say we still are selling our t-shirts right now. They're off 50%. Hopefully you catch the video on time. But we have a 50% off sale. So I'll link the t-shirts down below. We have actually a new one out, and it says "Dare to be vegan, no turn catchphrase." And yeah, so that's off right now. So make sure I hit that link down below. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that post notification bell. And yeah, join our family. So we have vlogs coming. We got more challenges coming, informative videos, cooking tutorials coming, and hopefully soon we'll have the kids channel up and ready. So
yes, because they active, they got a lot of energy, they like to do a lot of things. So something for them as well.
Yeah, so that was it. You are gonna see the rest of everything else in the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in our next video.
Like I always say, better be vegan. Peace.
Peace.